Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome you in this physics video, and today we are going to start over here technical term related to lens. Means to say over there what is the center of curvature, what is focus, focal length, aperture. So these terms that we are going to discuss over here in today's video. So for this, let us suppose that we are having this is the spherical glass whose center is at C1, while this is second spherical glass whose center is at C2. Now we are going to overlap these two spherical glasses in such a way that over here this is the overlapping. So shaded part is shown with this overlapping. Okay, now the remaining part we are going to erase it. So left side there was the center of this spherical glass which is taken by us, and it is the center of that right side part. Okay, right side spherical that glass which we have considered. Okay, now here you will obtain that if we will erase the rest part which is outside of this shaded region, then we are obtaining this is a type of the lens. So this is that convex lens. So it is that center region I am going to shade it. Okay, now you will find over here this is a part of that first spherical glass. Okay, this is the part of first spherical glass. So we are going to call this is as curved part. What is this? It is curvature. Okay, and it is the center of this curvature. Okay, what is C1? It is the center of curvature. And what is curvature? It is the part of this spherical surface. Okay, so similarly over here that this C2 spherical surface we were having, so we are taking over here a part of this one. So this is a part of this second spherical surface, and now it is the center of this small part of this second spherical surface. Okay, so this spherical surface we are taking a small part, it is said to be curvature. Okay, so thus we are going to call these are what C1 and C2 is what these are said to be center of curvature. ठीक है, सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, क्योंकि ये स्मॉल पार्ट है तो इसलिए इनका ये क्या बन रहा है सेंटर, तो वैसे ही इसका सेंटर क्या बन रहा है C2 बन रहा है. ठीक है, सो नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सो वी हैव टू सी ओवर हियर द सेंटर ऑफ स्फीयर ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ विच अ लेंस इज फॉर्म्ड. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास क्या है ये वो मतलब कि जो कर्व था वो एक स्फेरिकल सरफेस का पार्ट था जिससे लेंस फॉर्म होता है, तो उसका जो सेंटर है उसको क्या नाम दिया गया, it is said to be as center of curvature. Okay, so this is that definition we can use over here. Center of sphere of part of which a lens is formed is called the center of curvature. So how many centers we are having of a lens? So we are having two centers of lenses. Okay, so one to the left and one to that right side. Now over here a straight line is going to join these two centers together. Okay, so this straight line which is going to join these two center together, we are going to call it is as principal axis. This is over here principal axis. So what is this principal axis? That line joining the two centers C1 and C2. So this is said to be principal axis. So this is the second term which we come to know, and over here we come to know about that of center of curvature. Now over here the third term that we are going to learn, it is of this optical center. Optical center. So what thing is optical center? So optical center, it is the midpoint of this lens. So over here it is the midpoint of that lens, so I am going to mark it with that O. Okay, if any ray of light will directly fall on this optical center, so it will pass undeviated, it will not bend. Okay, remember this thing over there. What is optical center? If any ray falls on it, passes undeviated. Okay, so over there that there is no refraction of the light, it will pass without bending. So that point within the lens from where a ray will pass undeviated, we are going to call this point it is as optical center. Now the fourth point is over here, it is radius of this curved part. So this is said to be curvature, radius of curvature. Now here you will look over here, this was our first curved part, this was our first curved part. So if we, with the help of this radius we can complete the circle, we can make that spherical surface of which this is the small part we have taken. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमारे पास जो डिस्टेंस है बिटवीन दिस ऑप्टिकल सेंटर एंड दैट C1, it is said to be radius of curvature. It is R1 I have supposed, and the distance between this optical center and that C2, it is radius of curvature. So it is R2. So thus R1 and R2 are what? These are the radius of curvature. So over here that the it is OC1 and OC2. Okay, so that distance between OC1 and OC2, it is radius of curvature. So next term that we are going to learn over here, it is aperture. So what thing is said to be aperture? So generally we mean to say with the aperture that it is width of lens, effective width. How much is the effective width of the lens? Okay, so we will observe over here that some of the lens they will have small width, while some of the lens they will have larger width. Okay, so therefore this width is directly related with that aperture. So more is that width, more is the aperture. Okay, so thus what is aperture? Effective width of the lens, it is known as this aperture. So through which this refraction will take place. So refraction will takes place. Okay, this is the fifth point we have discussed. Now over here that of sixth point. Now over here sixth point is focus and focal length. Okay, so for this we need to look at it is that curved lens, y convex is that one, and it is having the two center and a straight line passes through these centers, so which is going to join them, and this straight line we have called it is as principal axis. So here this is the principal axis, here it is x dash, so x dash is the principal axis, and that this lens which we are taking over here, these are the thin lenses. So this mid of that lens, it is said to be optical center. Now over here, if a ray of light will fall parallelly on its surface, there is the ray of light will fall on its surface. So parallel ray of light that is going to fall on this surface. So after refraction, all these rays they meet at a point. Okay, so after refraction, all these rays they meets at one point on this principal axis. Okay, so this point on principal axis where they are meeting to each other, we call this point it is as focus. So this is focus. Okay, so what is focus? That the point on principal axis where the parallel rays after refraction from lens meets to each other or meets. Okay, so that point is known as, that point is focus, or either you can call it is as principal focus. It is principal focus. Okay, so what is principal focus? It is the point on that principal axis where whole rays which were parallel to the principal axis and they were after refraction meeting. So this point we were calling it is as focus. Now the distance of this focus from optical center, so this is said to be focal length. So what is focal length over here? Focal length. So this focal length we are going to denote it with small f. So it is distance between O and F. O and F, optical center and focus. So this we are going to call it is as that of focal length. Now one thing you will observe here, what is the direction of light? Light is going from left to right. This is the direction of light, and you are going to start your measurement that for this focus it is from optical center to towards right side. ठीक है, तो जब आप फोकस को ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से मेजर कर रहे हो उसकी डिस्टेंस को, तो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से आप किस तरफ मेजर कर रहे हो? राइट साइड को. लाइट किस तरफ ट्रैवल कर रही है? राइट साइड को. ठीक है, तो इसलिए कन्वेंशन इज देयर, ये हमारे पास रूल है कि जिस तरफ लाइट चल रही है, इफ़ यू डज द मेजरमेंट इन सेम डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, so these measurement will be positive. Okay, so here we got that for convex lens focal length is positive. Focal length is positive. It is important point to note that for convex lens focal length is positive. Okay, now the seventh point that we are taking over here, it is that of focal plane. Now we are having it is focal plane. So student, over here that I am having, this is the convex lens, and here it is the ray of light which is passing from its optical center. So we are known that this will pass undeviated, so that point within the lens we called it is as optical center. Now if a ray of light will not be parallel to principal axis, let us suppose that a ray of light is going to fall at an angle with this principal axis. Okay, now where all these rays after refraction will meet? Will they meet at this point which is on that principal axis? Okay, so thus we have to check over there, all these rays now they will not meet at this principal axis. So they are going to meet at a perpendicular distance from this principal axis. Okay, so there it is going to meet at a point which is below than that principal axis. Okay, so therefore this point here, this is said to be that focal plane. It is what? Focal plane. So what is focal plane? It is that perpendicular distance above or below the principal axis. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ओवर हेयर दैट फोकस. ठीक है, तो ये जो इमेज है ये कहाँ पे बन रही है? फोकल प्लेन के ऊपर फॉर्म हो रही है. सो व्हेन द रे इज नॉन पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, सो एट दैट मोमेंट. सो दिस ऑल वी हैव डिस्कस, इट इज रिगार्डिंग to that technical term. So how many technical term we have discussed over here? So first it was optical center which we have discussed. Second it was over there that center of curvature, and the third point which we have discussed in it, it was focus and focal length. And the fourth point was there, that was of focal plane. Fifth point there was principal axis. Sixth point was there, that was radius of curvature. Okay, so similarly it is same for that concave lens. So for concave lens you can just see this one. If I am going to take, this was that one of the spherical surface, it is having its center C1. This was the second spherical surface, so it is having center C2. Now we are going to arrange them in such a way So let us to bring them together. So thus I have placed them together. Here it is C1, this is C2. Okay, now we are going to cut this, so only this part we are going to consider, and similarly over here this one part is going to consider, and this between region we are going to fill it with that of glass material. Okay, so this is filled with that glass material. So we have considered only a part, so it is the curvature and it is the center of that curvature. Okay, so thus we got that it is that concave lens. Now this concave lens is again having two centers, C1, C2, and a line is going to join them together. So this is principal axis, and if a ray of light will directly fall on this optical center, it will pass undeviated. So that point within the lens it is said to be optical. There will be only a single point where this ray will pass undeviated. So this is optical center. Next is that the distance between O and C1, it is radius R1, while this second it is radius R2. Now important point is over there, and that what will be its focal length. Okay, what will be its focal length? So already we are known that this is going to be a diverging lens, means to say that a ray of light will fall on it. Here the ray of light will fall on it, so it spreads them out. Here it spreads them out, and if I will retrace it back, so these are going to meet, appear to meet at a point. अगर इनको रिट्रेस बैक करते हैं, जब भी रिट्रेस बैक करना है, शो दैम विद दैट डॉटेड लाइन. सो दे मीट्स एट वन पॉइंट ऑन दिस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. सो दिस इज फोकस. Okay, so left side it was C1 center, while the right side it was C2 center. Okay, so thus we come to know over here that focus is what, that the ray on principal axis after refraction appear to meet. So that point it is said to be focus. Okay, now you will find over here that this is the optical center and the distance of this focus from optical center. So already it is said that जो मेजरमेंट है हमारे पास, जैसे लाइट किस तरफ जा रही है, एरो शो कर रहे हैं टुवर्ड राइट, लाइट ट्रेवल कर रही है, और जो मेजरमेंट है यहाँ पर ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दिस इज अगेंस्ट ऑफ लाइट. So therefore whatever the measurement against of light, we will take them negative. So thus we are having this negative focal length for concave lens. तो जो concave lens है उसकी जो focal length होती है वो क्या होती है, negative होती है. It is negative. Okay, so this we have that the terms which is related with this lens. Thank you for watching this video.